Alright, y'all, see I'm back with another video here. Making some French toast here. Scrambled up 2 eggs. Put 2 eggs in a dish. Put some cinnamon in there. Alright, look at it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today, y'all. Okay, I got me some bacon going here. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, y'all. So air frying that bacon. Alright, y'all don't know about air frying, y'all check it out. So that's what I'm doing today. So I'm showing y'all what to do. 2 eggs. Depending on if you got a bigger family of 3 eggs or 4. So about 2 or 3 eggs should make you about 4 French toast. So that's what I'm doing right there. Alright, y'all, stand by for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. You want to take the bread. You want to put it like that. Flip it on both sides. Let it drain a little bit. Gonna put it in your pan. Gonna put some oil, olive oil, whatever you like to use. And that's how we making French toast for today. Alright, so I got the pan in there, got the oil in there. So, alright. Let's stand by. I'll be back right back. Show y'all how brown it's gonna come out. Stand by. Alright, y'all, check that bacon out. Air frying some bacon. So you ain't gotta worry about no grease or nothing. The grease will go down in there, so yay. It's trying to be fat free, so that's what we doing. You know what I'm saying? So alright, y'all, so show y'all wait till check it out, let it get a little brown. Flip it on both or flip it over side a couple minutes. Look how golden brown it look. Yeah, it look delicious, don't it? Yeah, so that's how we doing French toast for today. Alright, y'all. Come back with that end results. So stand by. Look how brown it is. Couple minutes each side, 3 or 4. Yes. No butter on it. Cook it in butter. I cook mine in butter. You cook yours any kind of oil you want. I cook it in butter for it have that buttery flavor. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, y'all. Check out the end results. Don't forget to like. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like. It was good. I had to go. I'm out. Peace.